Hey everyone, today we're going to make a chocolate pudding cake. It's got a layer of chocolate cake and a layer of chocolate pudding. It's super easy to mix up and it is perfect with some whipped cream and some ice cream. So to start making this cake, you're going to spray an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. And in a medium-sized mixing bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Make sure not to pack your flour into your measuring cup. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and then take a whisk and whisk that up really well. Now add a 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Cool down just a little bit so it's not super hot. And then once you have all that added, just take a spoon or some kind of spatula or something like I'm using here and then mix it up. You don't really need a mixer for this, so just take a spoon and mix it up. That's fine. Now add the cake batter into your prepared pan that you sprayed earlier and just try to kind of smooth it out as best you can. And in another bowl, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and then just take your whisk and whisk everything up. Sometimes the brown sugar will kind of lump up on you. Just try to get your whisk in there and get all those clumps out. And now just take it and sprinkle that mixture all over the other cake batter mixture that you've already added into your baking dish. Next, you're going to add 1 1/4 cup of very hot water. You're just going to pour that over all of that. So don't mix it up or anything. Just pour it over it and put on some oven mitts or something so you don't burn your hands. And you want to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. And the top is still going to be a little bit jiggly when you pull it out. But just set it on a cooling rack and let it cool like this for about 30 to 40 minutes. Because that's going to allow the sauce or the pudding in there to really kind of thicken up for you. This cake is really great served warm with some whipped cream on it or some vanilla ice cream. I hope you loved this one. If you make it, let me know how you like it. Happy baking, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.